by lecturing everybody about how ODM members should behave. I saw the other day Otsosi has also joined that quadrum, plus Simba Arati. I want to remind all of them, they are just caretakers. There's been no election in ODM, and I believe when election is called, there'll be better Kenyans who believe in the democratic space created by ODM to take positions. If you are handpicked, please note that you are just a caretaker committee. When Baba comes back, the elections will be done and you can be removed anytime. Some of us are better suited to serve the party as Secretary General. And Sifuna knows very well. I call upon him to be a little bit sober. If he doesn't become sober in the coming days, I'll be able to give evidence that he knows I have of why he's making the noise, what is remaining that is demanding to be given, where it was given, and who gave it. That should be able to come soon. And that will be big news in the country. Thank you. I'm here if you have listened to SG when he was talking to Rarieda. The last statement, that's what we need to point what he said. He said, people cannot put their Murija, Mbadi and Wandai, and his Murija is not there. He will not agree. I think that's out of order. Kenya is not a Murija nation. Kenya is a country governed by laws. Yeah.
One of the things that the SG has been able to mention is that maybe the party is deviating from its...
This week, the Central Committee is going to meet. I heard Ososi say that he's an official spokesman of the party. I don't know when he was appointed to be official spokesman. But I think ODM is a democratic party that believes that members can have the, divergent views. But remember, when you have divergent views, you cannot polarize the membership. Tomorrow you are with Wiper, tomorrow you are with the alliances of the Honorable Gachagua. So that's a bit polarizing the membership. So that's what I don't agree with. Yeah.
You've said that when Baba comes back is when we have elections. Elections cannot be held when he's away.
I think the caretaker committee, Baba appointed caretaker committee. If I was Simba Arati and Ososi and that caretaker committee, I'd put structures to do proper elections so that we have a vibrant party that lives in accordance to the Political Parties Act, because it's a requirement. Other than a requirement to give your financial statements, there's a requirement that elections must be done within the confines of 5 years. So Baba is going to be the chair of AUC next week. So that's the conversation we can have after next week, after I come from Ethiopia, because we'll all be going to Ethiopia to celebrate as a country.
Maybe finally from me, as members of ODM who are not in tandem with the sentiments of the SG, are there any repercussions? Are there any punitive measures you...
This conversation has started. The conversation will go on. I don't think we want SG to have the Babu Namwamba experience. I think he's a gentleman. He knows what he needs to do.
You have indicated that he was doing something and is demanding something. Where was this given and from who?
I've said that in another week or so, I'll be able to give that information. Yes.
As an ODM insider, what do you do when you see Kalonzo, when you see SG Edwin Sifuna alongside the white leader attending? Do you feel he's rebelling again, or you feel he's falling his way out of the party?
And then, if you argue that one, it is on record that there was a be expelled from the party. I don't know where you're speaking from.
I'm still a member of ODM. I earn salary, and ODM receives my membership. For the last 2 years, 20,000 per month is deducted from my salary to ODM party. The moment they terminate that deduction, then I cease to be a member. I am a member of ODM, a life member. Okay? Yeah.
Do you view Sifuna as a rebel, or is falling his way out of party by association of the likes of Kalonzo?
I think the country is in a transition. There's a political pressure. Everybody is joining new alliances. Okay? But I think even if he wants to join another alliances like Kalonzo, who is a very weak candidate, he should be able to be choosy. Anything else? Thank you.